In June, China's government gave its robot industry a deadline. Not a target, a deadline. By December 31st, 10,000 humanoid robots must be working. In factories, in warehouses, in hospitals. Not dancing at galas, not running marathons. Working. The ministry even had a phrase for it. The industry must enter work mode. This is Innover. Discover what's changing the world. Today, China's robots are going to work, and the real numbers are stranger than the headline. First, the scale, because it is real. China expects to build over 100,000 humanoid robots this year. Last year, around 20,000. 5 times more in 12 months. In the first half of this year, global humanoid shipments jumped 272%. Chinese companies made over 97% of them, and they are in real places. Agibot robots load and unload at a Shanghai electronics factory. Others work in more than 10 logistics centers with China Post. So it looks finished. China builds them, ships them, deploys them. Except there is a number underneath all this that changes everything. Through the third quarter of last year, more than 70% of Unitree's humanoid revenue came from research labs and universities. Industrial customers were about 9%. 9. So when you read that a company shipped 11,000 robots, most of them never went near a factory. They went to research groups, demo halls, and marketing videos. Shipped is not the same as working, and almost every headline says shipped. Then the second number. UBTech reported its Walker S2 robots reach at most 30 to 50% of human productivity. Not across a whole job, on narrow tasks, stacking boxes, quality checks. The economics do not work yet, and the robot makers are the ones publishing these figures. But the clearest sign is in the rental market. You can hire a humanoid robot in China for about $500 a day. Thousands of orders in the first 3 months. Sounds like proof of demand, until you read what the price includes. Shipping, the robot, and a human operator who comes along to help control it. The robot arrives with a person to operate it. That tells you exactly where this technology sits. Impressive, improving fast, and still accompanied. Now, this is not theater. There is a real strategy here. Every robot in a real warehouse generates data. Messy, unpredictable, real-world data. That data trains better models. Better models make better robots. So a robot working at 40% is not a failure. It is a data collection device that partly pays for itself. And China is built for this. In one recent year, it installed 276,000 industrial robots. More than Japan, America, Germany, and South Korea combined. So here is the honest version. Robots have not replaced workers. A country has decided to push an unfinished technology into the real world on purpose, accept that it works at half capacity, and use the mess as training data. That might fail. It might also be the only way this gets solved, because you cannot teach a machine to handle the real world inside a laboratory. So, the question: if a robot does 40% of a job and still needs a human beside it, is that a failure? Or is that just what year 1 looks like? Think about where computers were in 1980. Tell us in the comments.